Hello everybody. Yes, it's me again, that fella from Chesterfield. But you know who I am, don't you? Yes, you do. And join me in the old twisted spire editing suite here, or as I call it, the little bedroom. Yeah. Yes, just editing a little video for you. And it's a ride out into Lincolnshire. And we're going to a cafe that we've been to before, but we do like it. And you can't get too much of a good thing, can you? No, you can't. So, join us for this little ride out, just as we're coming out of Mattersea. Well, what a beautiful day for coming out into Lincolnshire. We couldn't have picked a better day, but it is cold and we've got plenty of layers on. I've got 4 layers on my legs and 5 layers on the top. It's I don't exactly know what the temperature is, but I think they give a high of about 8 or 9 today. It was 2 or 3 degrees when we set off, but we've got this beautiful, beautiful sunshine, so we're not letting a bit of cold put us off. Me and my mate there in the mirror. Oh no. No, we're going to take full advantage of this. Oh, what time is it? It's just gone 11:30, so me and my mate have been out on the road for about 2 hours now, and it's been absolutely glorious. It's been lovely. Really nice this morning, and we've been wandering about aimlessly, and I've put a destination in the sat nav, a cafe that we've been to many times before, and we really like it, and it's popular with motorcycles. Yeah, so I've been ignoring the sat-nav, and we've been getting lost and going down little lanes, etc. And we went down one little lane and it was a dead end. It didn't say dead end at the start of it though, so it turned into a green lane. So we had to abandon that. We weren't green laning this morning. We have done before, but not this morning. I'm going to turn up here. Yeah, this little lane up here takes us past a place we go to quite well, not quite often, but we've been to it 2 or 3 times. There's a little airfield up here, and there's a cafe at it, but I looked on the internet this morning and it said that it was closed, permanently closed, so I don't know whether that's just that it permanently closes over winter. I'll have to keep my eye out for that, because it's one of our favourites. It's only like a little porter cabin cafe on this little airfield, but you can they've got decking outside, and you can sit outside and watch the little aircraft taking off and landing. and it was very nice, just sitting there enjoying the view. Right, it's telling us to turn left here, which is correct. Up the high street. A big pool of oil there on the road. I don't know what's gone off. Love these little Lincolnshire villages. Like I always say, you look at these little villages and you think, what does everybody do to earn a living? They can't all be on the internet, can they? And they're not all farming. Now then, I think we go this way. Yes. Yes, this takes us up past the airfield that I was talking about, and it's just on the right hand side up here. Sturgate it's called. There, over there, look, see the windsock, and yeah, the little cafe it said was closed, else we would have gone in there. And definitely. Sturgate spelt with a U, S-T-U-R-G-A-T-E. There's the runway, look, the little aircraft. Yeah, if it's a nice day like today, yeah, sat outside there at that little cafe, it was very enjoyable. But we're going to carry on to our next destination. I think I'll turn right down here. I'm just ignoring the sat-nav now for a bit. I'll explore these little lanes. Oh crikey, it's muddy down here. Was this a mistake? Oh no, look. What have I done? Oh crikey, I've got some water here. Just hope nothing comes the other way. Oh no, we're alright. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Thank goodness. Isn't this nice here, eh? Nice little detour down the little lanes. Oh, we've got a little lake here, look. Out into the open countryside again. Lots of pheasants about this morning. Oh crikey, nearly had you, matey. The cock pheasants have got beautiful plumage, and that one was nearly a dead cock pheasant. I hit a cock, well, not a cock, I hit a pheasant once when I was a teenager, and a fair rate of knots, and it hit me square in the chest, and that was no joke. God, it frightened me to death. Sure if we've been down this lane before. It looks familiar to me. Well, then again, they all look the same, don't they? Wow, look at this wide open country. Yeah, it's beautiful. Especially when there's no hedges like this, because, you know, like I say, in Lincolnshire, with it being so flat, very often all you can see is the hedges. Whereas in good old Derbyshire, you've always got a view. You're either looking up or down, aren't you, with the valleys. A bit rough there. I suppose there's only old men on motorbikes and farmers that use this road. Right, we're not so far off now. We'll be turning onto the main road soon. Just go through this little village, or whatever it is, hamlet. Little church by the looks of it. There we are. That's a big house. Not a big church. Wow, look at the size of that. Yes, it has got a big church. Just 2 or 3 houses. Right, we're back on the main drag here. Not far to go now. We're getting ready for a cup of tea and something to eat. And follow that tractor. Yeah, it's about, what is it? Oh, it says 2 minutes away. It's about a mile away, I think, from this roundabout. And like I say, we have been here before, and we do like it. It's one of our favourite cafes, this. They do really good food, and it gets really busy, especially with motorcyclists. It's very popular with the bikes. It's sort of, yeah, it's centrally located in Lincolnshire. Like lots of places in Lincolnshire, it's on an old airfield. There you have it, look. Hemswell Cliff. Going left on Gibson Road. Our mate will know where we're going now, because I've not told him where we were going. He's not bothered. He just follows. He's happy as long as he's got his leg over that Enfield. He's not bothered. That's the old guard room there. It's an antique shop now. It's got a lovely picture of a Lancaster bomber on the side, this place has. And I've shown it to people watching before. It's really good. There we are, look at that. There's just a couple of bikes this morning. Right. We'll have a brew and a chew. Oh! I'm ready for this. About, how long we've been on road? About 2.5 hours. Thanks for joining me and my mate today. If you've not been before, you must try out the Fawn Cafe, especially in the summer. It gets very busy with bikes and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Well, you don't have to be on a bike. I took my missus on the way home from Skegness once and she enjoyed it there. Yes, it's a nice cafe and there's actually a big shop on the side of it. So if you do call in with the missus, take her in there and take your wallet with you. Anyway, before you go, please like and subscribe. It's absolutely free. And join me again next time. So, until the next time, it's goodbye. Bye bye now. Ta-ta. Ta-ta.